Hi, welcome to the first episode of the Konan Journey. For this episode, I would like to introduce the car of the show, the Hyundai Kona 1.0. I created this channel to celebrate its third birthday. Therefore, it's more like a vlog for this car. In addition, I'll also take this chance to share with the viewers on the items that are in stock and my views and suggestions for all the different car parts, and hopefully it will be a useful source of reference for you guys. So this is the engine bay of the Hyundai Kona. It comes with a 1 liter turbocharged. And for the engine bay, I installed the oil catch can because it's a direct injection engine. Therefore, the oil catch can helps to collect the carbon deposits so as to reduce the carbon deposits at the intake valves. And I also installed a K&N filter to improve the response and performance by a little bit. For tires, I'm currently using Michelin Tire Sport 4 with a tire profile size of 215/55 ZR 17 inches. These tires have been used for 42,000 kilometers. As you can see, the tire wear is quite substantial. It's around less than 2.5 mm in tire depth. Therefore, these tires require a change pretty soon, and I will make a video on my next tire change. As for my wheels, I'm currently using the Race Graham Knights T57 RC. For the brakes, I'm currently using the original rotors, and for brake pads, I'm using the Fixa S1 brake pads. In addition, I also changed the brake hoses to the stainless steel ones made by HCL. The boot size of the Kona is around 371 liters. However, the Konas in Singapore do not come with any boot covers. Therefore, I installed a tonneau cover to ensure there is privacy for my items stored inside the boots. So this is the interior of the Hyundai Kona. It's quite simple, and I quite like the simplicity of the design. And I'm currently using the Iron X9 as the dash cam. Here's the front and the rear. And as you can see, this car comes with a 6-speed manual. And I also installed an ultra gauge OBD so that I can read the parameters. And as the ultra gauge, I'm able to read the oil temperature and oil pressure. I installed the oil temperature and oil pressure gauge with sensors made by Depot Racing. So this is the current mileage of the Hyundai Kona. It's about 49,000. It's due for servicing at around 50,000 kilometer range. I'll make a video for the Kona where it's going for the 50,000 kilometer servicing. There's a crack on the windscreen 1 day before the video is recorded. I'm looking to patch the crack on the windscreen by a workshop appointed by the insurance agent, and I'll make a video on my experience repairing this crack on the windscreen. Okay, we come to the end of our first episode. If you like this video, you can hit like and subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions, you're welcome to type in the comments in the video below. Hope to see you in the second episode. Bye!